Hi there, everybody. I have a treat for you today. I am going to show you how to use the sink hidden. And this is what will allow you to make an escape room, if you like, a digital escape room or break-in or whatever you want to call it. And I started playing around here a little bit, make sure I knew what I was talking about before I started this video. So let me just show you what I have so far. So here's the title, blah, blah, blah. So when I go here, I can see a question and a spot to answer it. When I go here, it says you can't see me. Here it's blank. What if I answer this? Ah, now this showed up. This is still blank. I'm going to put a 6 here. Now I can see this. What is x when y is 3? I'm getting 5. And that's where I left off. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can keep things hidden until you want the students to see them or until they get the correct answer. All right, so on this page, we want them to have a correct answer of 5 before they can see the next one. So let's say that's what's going on here. So you put your questions in. And I am going to call this Math 4. Okay, so now I'm going to put another question here on screen 5. And this one, I'm going to put a note. I'm going to have a math input. And I'll have another graph. Okay, so let's see here. I'm just going to put this in. Y equals 2x plus 4. And the question is, what is the slope? Okay, so this will be math 5 is what I'll label that. All right, what I want to happen is this. I don't want any of this to show up until they get screen 4 correct. And in order for screen 4 to be correct, this answer here in math 4, the answer has to be 5. So here's what we're going to do. Pick any component you want. I'm going to start here with this. And I want this hidden. Now let me put what the correct answer is. So math 4, the numerical value of that has to be 5. What this is saying right now, this is incorrect. All right, what this is saying right now is it's going to hide this component when they give the right answer. I want it the other way around. I want this to be hidden unless they give the correct answer. So I'm going to put this part in parentheses, and right in front, I'm going to say not. So if it's not the correct answer, I want this hidden. When it is the correct answer, then it will show up. Okay? I'm going to take this, and I'm going to copy it in every single component on this screen. So I put it in this graph one. I'm going to put it here in this note component, and I'm going to put it down here and this math input component. So let's see what this looks like now. Ah, it's hidden. Well, I kind of have to go through here and do all these. Glad I made this simple. 6. What did we say? 5. Now here we still can't see it. This has to be a 5. Now we can see it. Okay. What you can also do, now if you remember, here on this screen, it got this little note that says, you can't see me. And then when this one is correct, the note goes away and the problem comes up. So let's take a look at how to do that. So let's say in here, we want a little note to show up. It doesn't matter where it is. No peeking. Okay, I want that to be there. We're going to do the same thing, except now I don't want this not. So when they have the correct answer, I want this to go away. When they have the wrong answer, they didn't do it yet, then I want this to show up. So there it is, no peeking. And then if we put the correct answer in, that's it. Okay, so that's what you're going to go through and do. So say you put another one in here. You know, this one is, what is 4 plus 4? I'm going to call this math 6. And this will stay hidden unless the previous screen is correct. So here I need an answer of 2 in math 5. So let's just go through that again. This will stay hidden when math 5, the numerical answer is 2. Okay, when it's not 2, it's hidden. When it is 2, it will be revealed. So I will copy that into every component here. Ta-da! It's hidden. This is also nice. I mean, you can do an escape room with this. Another thing here, let's add some media. I'm going to upload, I took this earlier, right there, this lock. This is from Pages. Pages has a lot of neat shapes, not just, triangle, circle, rectangle. We've got a lock here. I want this to show up until it is. So there we go. Wait, I have that on the first one? I didn't mean to do that. Hold on a second. We don't want that there. I don't want this component here. I want it here. Here, let's do it here. No, here. Just kidding. Here. Media. You can really put this on every single one, that this is what shows up when it's not correct. So this is what it looks like until they get the correct answer. Go through it quickly. No, we don't have to. You get the point. So this is nice if you wanted to do something, more fun, like a digital escape room or break-in or whatever you want to call it. Sometimes what I like to do, the very last thing that is revealed is maybe a 3 or 4 digit code. Now this is without the pandemic, where in the front of the room I would have a lockbox that has a combination lock on it or something like that. I go to Walmart and they have those little cash boxes, and the students would physically open the box based on the code that is revealed on the last screen. So that's fun. But you don't have to get that fancy either. This could just be, I don't want you moving on to the section until you mastered these problems. Like, I don't want you to see these problems yet until you know how to do these. And I feel like, especially for students that have IEPs, it really helps with not overwhelming them. It's like, oh, I have 3 problems. I can't see anything else. This is wonderful, until they get those 3 problems right, and then it will let them move on, or one at a time. So I know I'm getting a little long-winded here, but that is the hidden function that you can use, or sync. Sorry, I don't have the vocabulary down yet, do I?